Hello guys, welcome back to the tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a Snapchat account after getting banned. First, these steps are completely the same for iOS and Android. But first, make sure that you connect it to VPN. So, after doing that, straight go to your Snapchat application. So, in my case, I have a pre-registered Snapchat account, so I'm going to hit to tap on sign up. Okay, I'm going to allow this. Okay, enter your name, your birthday, I'm going to change my username. So, say the password. Now, set your email account. Okay, add friends. And skip, I'm going to skip this. So, that's how you can create your Snapchat account after getting banned. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you really like this video helpful, please leave a like button and subscribe our channel.